I love it. It's like I have a little fan.
Every day we come home, and if you're not here,
High five.
he makes me wait. I have to like force him to like let's go.
Yeah.
Motorcycle guy.
Well, 3 more years and he'll get his own bike, right?
Oh yeah.
You want to rev the bike?
Say again?
Does he want to rev the bike?
Oh, you want to ride the bike? Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Let's go like that. Oh no, I gotta do stronger.
Strong. One more time.
Oh yes. All right, have a good day. Oh my God, look at that bird. It's a pelican. Not a pelican. What do you call those things? It's a mockingbird. Yeah, right. It's a pigeon. There he is. Nice. We're gonna go behind this guy, see what he's into. You got it. What happened here? Oh, snap. Oh, they all got pulled over. Damn, yep. Interesting. That's where I'm going. And they all got stopped by cops. Wow. I really need to get out of here.
bars on a 2006 Ducati Monster 620. I'm installing these rental road low bars, and I will include the link in the description. Let's get started.
Smoking fucking Thanksgiving turkey bags, man.
Hurry back,
surgical
hurry
procedures.
Back, oh my love, hurry back.
Ben Johnson. You already know.
Return.
Sign my name with the feather tap dance under the full moon. Smoking, drinking liquor for the fan that left us too soon. Just keep it trucking, searching all the nooks and crannies. No English muffin, streets are filled with crooks and trannies. Bam bam, got a shooter like Legacy. Emerald green paper that I split up with my posse. One hand driving, 3 grams smoking, 2 fiends sucking, T-bag soaking. Strength of a retard, the drugs are even stronger. Shorty love the longitude, dealer bring a quarter through. Overfishing make the snapper less affordable. I hate when stupid bitches ask me questions that's rhetorical.
Later, broski. Thank you for coming, man. This fucking guy. Nice egg truck. The power is out. July 3rd, 2019. Nice egg trucks working on a pole down by the road. It's about 10:30 p.m.
Finger that bitch. Oh, finger that pussy. Oh, so good.
I just came here for a cruise. No real reason. Just me and my motor bicycle. Table Rock, ladies and gents.